papa diano pay mene kwasensia ya de bedwam no edi kan asomo se dwumadie no ahyase medin de ma metra diamond kwasen pacho mache
bejo so
na pom te sei
boko na nso e
nyamedom eye
watare ye me fe
medase
we dem se efrechire ne bae
efichire he ya tuti pupu anu a obi edi
ne nipa kra ya de nipa kra me hwe nem se bia amano ne ntare bi na aba betomu
se de etie bia no de etie ne se wiase no de ulem na tipupu anu a obi edi because eto da bi kra na enye ko obi mpo
oh na amane bi ne dem
just do ulem mu keke na ya memo a enu anu no
ba se bia hye ye de
ade ya say no complain eye ade a chon no nyame na anim kon obefa so a obedaadan wo a o chefa ewom de eye de enye o de chirimo popa e bata ho a ento sa de san ebedu no nyame be ma ne nsa so
amen
amen
yeda say Reverend Diamond that makes that now no pay first story a story ba ku bi aka about say ka kwanhie swati em say ye
yasebode
enura so awrewo semu a e free kumasen kran kwan so ba e fa abanam senior wo bibie ni anwa so be kwan say so no wo free enkran akọ na baton pesua so one driver konya aka kwanhia ma no so enura na o ma free mu
asemu
na unim ne ma asem kwa ya awrewo ye say enura MMDCs no ene mampani won hyemde bi omudi e won kra hanom ense papa eti hyemde ase a lady ebeto dwa say enne ne manfo peso mo ye oye kire eti MC wo tuhwa na wako ene say
no akopata wom
akoshia shia ne kofri kwemu wona
wow
mami kwa man so da me kodi nkomo mra na ja efa we eto asom
mpacha odi nkomo bra
yes enra se obekaya achechirefo ene ekudu omate atua ene abampanfo konkunyese se ne kasebo no echira no peya no but inshemde no anwie peyo because achechirefo no e work out die tire momo e work out no enje kabono eye titeni e de ema nagrat ekona crowd here kai wacha no pay eba bedwam Adom TV so okay ti ma yenhwe eye enura bra enhyemde no eba na wie no ya entimi anwie pe no Deputy Minister for Labor Relations and Employment Bright Rekubrobe echire mu kire nsentwefo de kofa ba ye ntiama sa enhyemde no entimi anwie pe yo yenhwe no mra se
This afternoon, July 12, 2022, a delegation of government officials in fulfillment of the promise made by His Excellency the President during the Eid celebrations sought to meet and negotiate with organized labor in the matter of request of cost of living allowance, COLA. At the commencement of the meeting, the government delegation sought to exclusively meet with particularly the...
Okay, yebeko eye openi Bright Rekubrobe ensem ne so ne kwa omanso na ye ne titire ni edema nagrat ekonora enje kabono ekodi wakrate yake mo acha no pay eba bedwam dwumade so Adom TV.
Hello, I can't hear you.
Obano timenka?
Maybe the volume is very low.
Wow. Afere bacho ya kakra.
Maybe very, very low. It's very, very faint. Wow. Can they increase the volume a bit?
Openi Angel Kabono, afere mapejam voice mi kakra. Emuye.
Okay, let's try. Let's try. Yeah.
Eno tia wadie na ema teacher unions here mo call enhyemde na no mo work it out.
Well, you call me to know the ministers who can minister for national security, minister for education, minister for employment and labor relations, deputy minister for finance, deputy minister for employment relations, and all their teams. So, they decided that before, and all public sector workers were there. And so we all thought that the moment they came, we were just going to start negotiations. I mean, this is a negotiation where you put your percentage down, we either accept or this is not the normal negotiation of salary, this is a COLA negotiation. So we thought within 30 minutes we should be done. Then they introduced something that was very strange to everybody. That teacher unions aside. And I all them also know. In Shema, I have first year, and then teacher unions in Shema. It is a meeting for organized labor, of which we are part. We are part, a subset of organized labor. So Yabano, any teacher from Krana, leading discussion, a leadership of organized labor that will now take over the leader. So we a organized labor meeting. How do you bring organized labor to a meeting and then you start putting people outside? It will raise suspicion. So I say it is not the right thing. They cannot start negotiating when a union is on strike. You know, and we say, look, the last time we met was last Friday. You appealed to us to call off the strike. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and even yesterday morning, one to me and Freya and CIA. Now you have organized labor and I'm over Freya to find out the outcome of your appeal. We think it is not appropriate. And Omubisa say, okay, Omupi over 1.5 hours. They were not coming back. Now, labor, you know, waiting for them. I do maybe who say, okay, well, if they want to say the teacher group, unless they call off the strike, they can't meet. Then the young teacher group, women MPA, so that they can come and meet the others. And do maybe crowd the other unions is okay. If this is what we are going to do, in the moment you know outside and declare national strike of all labor unions, because the way the ministers were behaving was very, very strange. So and I acquire. Later we heard that all other labor unions also PA. So the negotiation did not even start because of this matter.
Okay. But we are aware say before aban betimi ene nadwumefo akonkunyesi akasa bia no e wo se atuate bi omatebia amamra kwaso no atuate ne ba na wieye ansa na sa discussion no akoso 2 eno Bright Rekubrebe Deputy Minister for Employment and Labor Relations say edru ba bi ne mo labor unions no request say mo pese mo ye mo akasa mo inner circle meeting bi etwa no MPA. So at what point the koba say omudi pay yom kodi more than 1.5 hours omuamba?
Ye ka say ye be ye inner meeting ye ka kire say our inner meeting ye 5 minutes.
Okay.
So so after the 5 minutes ye call ye call frere omo no. No mo so say omo ye meeting. And then it taking more than 1.5 hours omo mba ye pay no.
Enunti but se munya aware se amamra se before se negotiation bia because some call it off strike na dia na ema na ye den dia ma labor union se be call it off strike for na mo tie dia bampanfo e wo de mamo.
Well, in the first place, any teacher unions nkwa na mo ba be shia. So are you saying that the teacher unions or striker demands are all other labor unions you make it move amount? Is that what they are saying?
Kakra ye tifri mo say mumu de no 1 ena soka so hwemu ye pa edi kan ebaye 2 the situation at hand no with ye mofra ne omoda so school mu na ye nya cheche for mo nkyere mo ade no ya ade abanche mu a tititi go free sen kamumu de no otimi tuwa na mo entmade aka because ne mu bisa de nyina no virtually nyina the same etika ensure de begu akwam de ama like say no be begu akwam e de ama mu nwanum enkaye de na ma ne difficult say especially teachers we be call it off strike na mo tie ne abampanfo ewo e de mamo na bibi wo no mo timi atekino a step further.
Well, Ochina me example, Ochina one and unions be say mienu and anion sabeko strike.
Abeka mo makoda dan ho.
Yes, Ochina.
Unions be no.
Odi Ochina. Ubeti me yomu spokesperson to me bomb with. Ochina unions mienu and anion ebe strike abekam.
Asamba kwa aban empenfo eka say it looks as if the teachers munye fair to aban. Ye nyina eka say COVID ebaye. Mutne fie for almost 9 months. Aban ekọ so chiaboka. Ene aban so aba bedum pempenso bu ne sika sam hye mu a. Ene manhye da enyina so ye emfa ma no. Na se mo pe bibi de afiro na se wonya nyaaya asa mo box aban e na hye ba bia ebi mo ye den e di ama no. Teacher unions mo so we mo say.
In the first place, it is not true. There's COVID by any teacher for 9 months. It is not true. Number two, COVID by some fresh schools and back to schools. Among Bisa Director General, understanding about between teacher unions and the Ghana Education Service. One, is it not is bright? People not aware that you move the teaching hours in school from 1:30 to 4:30. Are you aware now? Is he also not aware that a period of 40 minutes? He said, I earn 1 hour. Is he not aware? Are you aware, say, teachers have been teaching all year round? Semester system now, Mudibayan. A semester is supposed to be 4 months. So first semester, 4 months. Second semester, 4 months. I am 8 months. How many months do we have in the year? 12 months. So the other remaining months, as I say, teacher any break. What are we seeing? Do you see any break for 4 months, which is 16 weeks? No. So the Omokano, they don't even know the arrangement we have entered with the Ghana. You see, people sit aloof at places. I expect, say, before somebody makes a statement, now I can verify. Then you have demonstrable evidence before you open your mouth and talk. People do not just get up and say anything that they want to say.
Are you willing to honor another invitation?
Run in the schools.
Are you willing to honor another invitation from Abain?
Am I willing to do what?
Honor another invitation from Abain.
Well, look, we are workers. If you invite us, we will come.
Okay.
When we come, we will state our position.
Okay. Mate, you better see piano pay so when you break any action and whatever penny am to say. Yandeka say Eric Angel Kabonu on the training at the National Association of Graduate Teachers. Eti lady, omotu atiende. Baby edi akwa kwesi. No.
Okay, inti wode kokobo ba ko nso abase yen hwe nim se afoforo nso beti achia ne.
Yeah, we kotu ebeka ho.
Yo. Okay. Eti mpacho member online also tell emfa marshfo na the dahanum saying it said the earliest Ghana could get an IMF deal is first quarter of 2023. Enti we no yenuanom myjoyonline.com na ebo amane finance minister efoni ebata ho say IMF no kura Ghana aba be kono say ebenya mwa no kura firi ho ade dikan kura ebeba no afia yebesim no ne first quarter. Enti eno ho ensem no na say 10,000 bags of sugar and 60,000 bags of rice ready for supply to schools. Education Ministry no ena ebo sama ne kwesi
lady mami fa Ghana Times the bokata and twaso tell. I say let's focus on influencing global economic order. President Kufuor urges African leaders IMF program should not affect free SHS. Child Rights International Force na can say immigration personnel put on high alert on Ghana Burkina Faso border at Moknori to avert terrorist attack. Ghanaian Times and the way by a daily graphic quick one or say or the Stephen Ayensu in Timfoni Abba Stephen Asamoah Boa Timfoni Enye George Kwabena Abba Kwansu Foni Penifo nyina epe national chairman ibre ewo NPP amayukom. Daily graphic report say who wins NPP chairmanship contest. 3 emerged front runners, 6,730 delegates to decide fate. Government retreat discuss way forward for economy. Daily graphic and anyway eba anope. Lady,
Mediadomonline.com ne so to aso ade wa hanum say no enya hom kasem ne say galamsey pit kills 2 miners at Manso Muano na che say yekopa bibia bedi ene me beye den ene nam a asie ewo hanum say ba konso e fa enhomasua ehon sem ne say don't blame education minister for food shortages in schools enti edu watch for ene kase so obi wo sobo bi a wode ebebo ne enti esukufo nya nuane ni a enye soafo no a wada enhomasua anono ene sese o mafo tenete wonsa ewo ne so enti no so ho asem ewo hanum say na ba ko eno ye de aye kase bo no ama odada fiti enra ene ene nyina eye grid core demolishes illegal structures and the high tension lines at Baoleshi enti eno so eye de eka ensema hodo a ewo adomonline.com anopay ema wachi no bi eno no kwasi
lady ba fa we na ye fa nwie the Daily Statesman Stephen Ayensu in team Efoni Ewa will say in team calls for clean campaign among aspirants. I think so far so good. Omaya dear campaign dear aye clean kakra pass compared to previous primaries apart to the ACO. Supply of food to senior high schools commences. The rich must pay. Austin Gami and can say for free SHS. Osinyame Adom na so sikam kwa dia osi making sure say yema wo etwia se na be kan bebre na enko abai so. Question so abaya bisa over the years near say how do you determine somebody is rich? How sustainable would that rich be? And temana dey say me to say Diamond and oye adwuma Adom TV. Ochina onye adwuma Adom TV abende. Yes am ka just Diamond na ye adwuma Adom TV nti tia oba school fees. And now we want to mention na question ja emo ebisa and daily statement and anyway ba ne anope
e dey ye gina statement so na ye dey esi ahanum say we dey bonkrata no na poso ne online no afei dey so eba wakwan no eye agokansie ho nsem bejam dwumade bekoso asomo akose anopa no nkono ebebo ene ye ntena na ene efisem no so enra nkomo a yedi ye efa ye maame no mu asabi woni pedua ho ba bia tochimenti ya na ebinum efa wonfo sebe meka ne sa no ye bedom wasuko ne ahwese ehefo ne sese saafo no mo wani eku won ho na wode nimdie bi eto won tirim na ma obi kura mpo pese wo fa won sa kwan no so a anya fofofo sa enida hobi etumi aba ho ene ye nkomode no ntikoso asha Adom TV me de surface komo cheche no ebesomo bedwam enso bekoso asomo ene mpensem kosi se no krobebo ene so eye ukuada nti sister o ode ahosepe no ebebro medase